I know I said this in the LeBron Zoom Soldier 12 video, but for real this time, go Irish. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Zoom Generation St. Vincent St. Mary. For years now, like since the original run of the Air Zoom Generation, the St. Vincent St. Mary's colorway has been a PE, and nobody's had their hands on a pair, except for those high school players that played for the team at the time, as well as LeBron's friends and family. Pairs have occasionally popped up on Flight Club and other places for like $3,000. With the return of the Air Zoom Generation in 2016, a lot of people were expecting this pair to retro, and LeBron had been teasing this pair since late 2017, and now we're finally getting the pair. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is a red on red Nike box, and it's a slide out box. I'm always a fan of slide out boxes. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that. And the colorway is white, metallic gold, and dust. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a leather and mesh upper, and the quality on the leather and the mesh are both pretty decent. You have the white leather toe cap alongside the perforations on the white leather toe cap. Also, you got the gold tab with the Nike swoosh right below the tongue. The shoe features a white cotton tongue with the LeBron James logo on the tongue tag, and this is a leather. And I've always wondered why this was never like a snap. Like it seemed to make sense to me that this would be a snap, and it never was. Also, you got the LeBron logo on the tongue tag. You have the green mesh as well as the white and gold Nike swoosh. On the heel, you got a green heel counter with the removable sticker for the chrome back. And anybody who knows about the Air Zoom Generation knows that this is going to peel and crack, and it doesn't really look good, so that's why a lot of people usually keep the sticker on. Also, you got the St. Vincent St. Mary's branding right on the heel. On the medial, you have more mesh, and it's a different design than the lateral is. Also, you've got the white leather detailing on this side as well. The midsole is a white midsole with the gold detailing that wraps around the toe. And you have the outsole, which has a carbon fiber plate in the middle. And you have a full-length Zoom Air. Anytime I see an Air Zoom Generation, I think of Hummers, because that, of course, is what the shoe is based off of. But generally speaking, this is a heavy-ass shoe. It's an all-around heavy shoe. With that being said, I'm glad that they finally released the St. Vincent St. Mary's colorway because of the fact that it is a dope colorway, just the green, gold, and white color blocking. And I know that it's kind of like the Celtics colors, but it's not like the Celtics colors to me because I'm a New Yorker. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just
has been another Soul Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Soul Post channel. Check out soulpost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Soul Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.